Hey guys, good morning. My name is Samir, and today I want to bring you the review of Messenger in a Box by Money Hanif. Now, guys, if you have been following my YouTube channel, then you know that I don't always promote every other product which is releasing. I will really take my time and review a product which I really find it necessary and promote to you so that you can get some kind of a benefit. Now, Messenger in a Box is one of the product which I see a lot of value in for the price which they are selling it for. This is a product which we have used, we have put it into, the theory into implementation and seen results, and that is why I am recommending it. In fact, my business partner Osman Murabi here has done for him a testimonial. So I will be explaining to you what Messenger in a Box is all about. But just before I explain to you what Messenger in a Box is all about, I have some bonuses which only you will find from my link. Okay, nobody else will be promoting these bonuses. You can go ahead and check all the YouTube videos about reviews of Messenger in a Box, and then you come back here. Make sure, if you've visited different links, make sure you clear your cookies so that you can buy from my link and you can benefit from the bonuses. So these are the bonuses which I will be giving you guys. So if you're purchasing today Messenger in a Box, then I will give you a fully fledged course, which is my ultimate launch jacking secrets. This is the course which will show you how to do videos like the one you are seeing like now, and how you will be able to rank in your videos on YouTube and make money through free traffic. Okay, you will also be able to access my group, my Facebook group, which I show, me and my partner, we show how to make money, how to really take your business from a small scale to a big scale just by use of organic marketing. So this all you will get also as a bonus. Now that is the bonuses which I'm giving away for those people who are purchasing the one time, who are purchasing the front end. Now what is in the front end? Let's go and look at this. So in the front end, you will get the overview. And let's go through the overview. So this is describing what the course is all about. Then optimization of the profile. So it is explaining how you optimize your Facebook profile so that you can get maximum exposure. How to filter. Okay, you need to filter your friends into hot lead and cold lead so that when you're posting something, you know who to post to, and who is engaging with your content. Okay, so all these kind of things, adding friends and where to get these friends from, how to get floods of people to message you. So this video will talk about, what kind of comments you do on your posts, on posts of other people on groups, so that you can get floods of messages. Okay, instead of you adding people, people start adding you. And this happens. Okay, this happens. I have got like here pending about 50-60 friends requests which I have not even looked at them. Where do your customers hang out? So basically, which groups, which pages these customers are on, you will understand all these things. Your ideal audience is on. Then of course, how to generate 1000 plus per day, promoting affiliate offers, the honey trap method of getting noticed. Sometimes you don't get noticed. What is it that makes your post get noticed? You get noticed. Everything is discussed here. And then qualify your prospect. So how do you qualify? What kind of questions do you ask in the messenger so that you know if this is a person you want to work with or you don't want to work it with? You qualify that person. And then of course the script is there, which is the conversation prospect script. So you get everything in this $12. Okay, it's only $12. Then list of the groups to join. Now here you will have, a full list of the groups which you need to join. Then the bonuses. Now in the bonus video, he is discussing more of a case study which he has done. And then there is this other bonuses which you can watch. It's only 3 minutes, guys. more of, this kind of bonuses are the ones which you get all the affiliates promoting. So when you look at other affiliates, then they are promoting this kind of bonuses which you are getting. But I am giving you a loan checking course, which is a $97 course, guys. You will get it for free. It has it has um, fully explained modules. It's just not a rehashed kind of a course. It's a proper thought. I have done that course personally, so you will enjoy it. Now here, my business partner has done this case study. He's actually showing you live how he's closing, okay, how he's taking a cold lead turned into a sell, okay. And this one of my very known friend who has done this case study is called Joyce. This is somebody who, I have mentored, and then he has learned and he become a own personality in his own right. So this is somebody who you really see how he has grown, and he is doing his case study there, which you'll be getting with this course. So guys, this is a no-brainer. It's only $12. Get this course. Now the upsells. Okay, let me talk about the upsells. In the upsells, what do you get? Let me show you what you get in the upsells. So in that, you will get access to the done for you downloads, which is 25 done for you messages to test, to send to your connections. Many of you, you start getting connected, but you don't know what to tell the people who are connected to you. So here you will get a 20 done for you message, such that depending on the prospect you are dealing with, it's a hot lead, cold lead, you are sending a different kind of a message. Then 50 done for you questions to ask in groups, different groups. You can ask questions so that you can get known, you can get kind of a influence, you become influential, okay. Once you ask this question, it's triggering them to answer. It triggers the people who are in the group to answer, and that way they see your profile, they see you, and they become more familiar to you. And 50 done for you questions to ask your prospects. Now these two case studies are also done by my business partner, Osman Murabi, who has exactly shown you how to close a warm lead and how to close hot lead. So live, he's showing you how on the messenger he went with a cold lead, a warm lead, and closed it to become a a sell, okay. And then this is again Joyce, who has done his case study. So guys, most of it you're getting the case studies in OTO2. Now if you buy any of the OTOs, then what are we doing? Okay, let me explain to you what we will be giving you as a bonus. So special bonus for any person who purchases the OTO, how to build your own chatbot. So guys, my business partner does chatbot. He does huge chatbots, and he is a master of chatbots. So he will give you a step-by-step tutorial how to have your money chat running on your pages. We have a course, okay, which we sold, and this is ultimate Facebook group growth. How do you grow your group? How you start from zero to become to getting 900 people, to getting 1000 people, to get, and how you monetize this so that you can earn from the group, okay, your business group. Then he also gives you an access of 25 plus groups, which you can join so that you can get even more exposure. Now, this is a mind blowing. I don't know why he has given, but he is somebody who wants to give this. So I have said, okay, no problem. This is something which not many people know, and this is Chrome extension mega bundles. Now, in this Chrome extensions, you will get different kind of Chrome extensions, like what kind of activity is going on in your Facebook, what kind of posts are being um, posted in Facebook, what is getting more exposure, and a lot of things in this mega bundle, which I really feel that he should have not given, or but then he decided. He told me, Samir, no problem, let's do this for our people. So I have allowed that, okay, and that is what it is in this. And then This is another no-brainer. He said, okay, many people, he will give another extra case study, which is by Osman Murabi, my business partner. And then many people, fail not because they cannot go through the course, but because they don't understand it. They want some kind of hand holding. So what we are doing is we are giving you a coaching session by me and my partner, and we will give you that coaching session. We will explain to you how to go about this all thing, and you will be mind blown, and it will be amazing. It is unbelievable, guys. That's about it. I want you to go through this. Okay, you can go and read the whole review which Mr. Osman Murabi has done on my website, which is samirmukhtar.com. The link, you will find it on this below this video. Go grab yourself Messenger in a box. You will never regret it, guys. Okay, and especially with the bonuses, especially with the bonuses, coaching session, we normally charge $250 per hour to coach somebody. Okay, you are getting it for free, and this is something which you can ask any questions you want. Okay, guys, that's about it. I hope you have understood what Messenger in a box is all about. You will be able to close sales in a Messenger, especially with the case studies which Mr. Mani Hanif has done, Mr. Joyce has done, and Mr. Osman Murabi has done. These are the product creators of this. So guys, don't worry about it. Okay, these are somebody I trust, and I really recommend the product. Thank you. Be sure I see you in the inside.